Hey, this is a private residence, man.
What's up, dudes? This is the Lockpicking Lebowski, and up next we've got a home security challenge lock that has been pinned up by the Late Night Lockpicker. I don't know if you can see that there. And he's got the key all taped up, even looped through the keyhole there. I've put his initials on that so that when we take off the mummification, we won't lose that. Right, let's get to it. I'm going to be using a standard tension wrench here that I've got slightly shrink wrapped, and a Peterson gem in 15 thousandths. So let's get to it. Let's do it to it. Alright, we're going to do clockwise tension on this thing. I'm going to start from the back, I think, here, and see what we got going here. Yeah, let's click out of that one. All the way in the back. See what else we got going on here. A little bit of counter rotation. Oh, some crunchiness. Like that. I always like the crunchiness. Let's see what we got going here. A little bit of counter rotation. Oh, I'm feeling it. We're almost there. I think we're almost there. Start from the back again, pin 6. At least I think it's a 6 pinner. So pin 5, pin 4, pin 3, pin 2. I'm not feeling anything else. It's not giving me anything. Dance on some of these pins here. Let's see, buddy. Might have to reset that tension wrench, man. I don't know. I think I just heard something else drop. Yeah. Oh, hold on. What we got there? Let's see what that was. Just snapped on the warding there. We're open. Alright, let's see what we got in this thing. I don't know how long that was, but you know, I'm not that good at picking challenge locks, man. I'm really not. I'm not a hack, but I'm not that good. I don't ever claim to be that good. I'm a lot better at making them. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so hopefully this camera doesn't shut off on us again like it did with the last video, but I'm just trying to get through them today. At least wanted to do 2 of them. Wanted to do 2 of them today. So, I'm dying to find out what's inside this thing. Oh, you know what? Let's check the key first. See what we got. Mummified. Yeah. That one looks like it exceeds max. And I posted this on Twitter a while back. Because I just really don't know about that. But whatever, you know. I mean, let's see if it works. You know, it works just as smooth as a baby's butt. And inserts. Comes out just fine. So, you know, is it, you know, does it exceed max? Is it a valid challenge lock? You decide. You know, if it works, then I mean, if it works and it exceeds max, I really don't know what to say. I mean, it's a challenge lock, and I don't know. That's not. I can't really decide. I don't know what to think. I leave that up to you. Let's see. I think I'm going to put a shim in this just a little ways. Let's pull this little doodad out here. See if that spring will come out. Yep. Okay. Set our pin there and spring there. And I'm just going to shim this just a little ways. Where'd our key go? Oh. Okay. Just a little bit of shim action there. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. I have no idea what's inside this thing. Right, let's do it. Ooh. Looks like we got construction holes there, buddy. This is not something you want to put a T-pin in. And it is a 5-pinner. I really wasn't sure. I did not bother to look to see if it was a 5-pinner or a 6-pinner. But she's a 5-pinner. So let's plop out these key pins. We're going to get these oriented right. And we'll get you a close-up here in just a jiffy. So there's those. Let's take a look at the core. We've got threading in. Yeah, buddy. Can't see it too well in here, but we've got threading in chambers 1, 2, 4, and 5. And we've got, it's actually countersunk in number 3. There you can see it a little bit. So, kudos to the Late Night Lock Picker for that. Now let's check into the Bible. See what he's got going up in here. Okay, we got a spool in number 1. And again, we're going to get you a close-up on all these bad boys when we're done. Serrated in chamber 2. Spool in 3. And serrated in 4. Last but not least, serrated in 5. In the Bible, I don't expect to see anything. Looks like the top is peened in place there. So yeah, I don't really see any kind of work or any threading up in the Bible. I wouldn't expect to. We're not going to hold that to him, or hold him to that. Alright, let's get ourselves a close-up. Alright. Here's our pin to hold on the cap on the back. We've got some serrated key pins. Such deep serrations, they're almost spooled. Nice sharp edge on that one on number 4. And for the drivers, 1 and 3 are spools. 2, 4, and 6 serrated. And all the same steel springs. Late Night Lock Picker. I appreciate it. I think Big Willie sent this to me, so we're going to forward this on to Master Bobby Keys. So, jeez, Big Lebowski's paged me, so I got to go, and I'll see you all next time.